What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. I'm Quinn, and today we're shooting
Veronique.
Yeah, and you can follow all her like her Instagram. All of her socials are going to be located in the description below. But today we are in Wilmington, North Carolina. We're actually like right on the outside of it and stuff, but we're going to do a sunrise shoot. I'm going to strap this on, and you guys are going to see some of the behind the scenes footage. But as you can see, this is what we're dealing with today. We're underneath up here. We've got this awesome, it's a little bit cloudy, but I think it's going to work just fine for how I'm going to edit. But I'm super excited, and it's going to be different content on this channel. So hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So let's get you like down here a little bit underneath this pier, and then hopefully, I don't know which way we want to like position you because the sun might be hitting you. I don't know. Let's see. We do a couple test shots just for like white balance. I usually have to shoot like super golden because, like I said, in West Virginia, it's like there's just like no tones at all. It's just like, yeah. That's awesome. Okay, so let me do a couple tests right now, and then everything's like cold, and then like bringing it out here is like it steams up. Okay, all right, so I think I'm good. So whatever you kind of want to do. I also do like, I always cross over and stuff too. Like that's always like, I love that. And then you can turn whatever you kind of like feel, and then I'm just like kind of clicking. Okay, all right. Everything's like fogging up. Yeah. That was good. Yep. Let's have you move like right here, actually. I think I want to get a little bit more of that light. Just a little bit. Yep. You like, maybe like right here. Yeah. And then, I don't know, like you could probably like extend like your arms like backwards on that, like if you're facing towards the sun. Yep, that looks cool. Okay, and do like a wide shot here. All right, guys, so what I'm doing pretty much is I'm just trying to like get in the basic composition of her and what she's going to like shoot at. The sun is coming up kind of rather quick, but it's still, we still have like this awesome clouds up here. But what I'm doing, I'm shooting like 1/400th of a second, 640 ISO, which I can probably bring that down just a little bit more. That way the image is a little bit sharper. And yep, it automatically did, so that's good. So I kind of like this pier right here, as you can see, right, is kind of giving it like a leading line. So I want that when she extends her arms and then look away. Yep, that looks really cool. I'll do one more wide shot here, and I think that's cool. Okay, so let's have you like kind of stand about right here, and then like just kind of like hold like your arm like this maybe, and then you could probably like just like widen your stance out. Yep, just like that. And then whatever your hair kind of does, if it goes across, just like let it do its thing. So yeah, that was cool. Yeah, see, like I feel like on black and white that would like, I'm going kind of like underexpose these just a little bit, and then I'm going to edit them like pretty hard. But all right, let's have you like face this way now. So I think honestly having like you face the sun is just going to be a little bit better right now. And then yeah, about right there is good. Yeah, right in between. Yeah, oh yeah, perfect. Yep. And then yep. See, I I love working with people that already knows what they're doing in a sense. Yep, and then I'm gonna get a little bit of a closer one right here. And then, yeah, chin up a little bit and just kind of like look away a little bit. It's good. Oh, that's cool. Here, I'm gonna show you what they look like too. So, yeah.
If I ever shot at it here, actually, now that I think about it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, make sure my bag wasn't. I forgot that we came down this far. Let me see here. Okay. So, would be really cool to do something like with all this right here. So, would you want like maybe getting like sitting on your knees and then you can kind of like stretch back on it? Yeah, I think so, yeah. Looks like you're kind of like sitting on top of water in a sense, yeah. Okay, that looks good. Like this is kind of like giving you a good warmth right now, so. I swear, every single time I'm sinking. Perfect, and then kind of like look out this way. Yep, and just hold that. And then just at the camera, 1, 2, 3, chin up a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, see that looks really good. Yeah. Let's do a couple like power stance ones where you're just kind of like out that way. Yep. Looks good. Just kind of like hold that. Yep, that's good. Good. And I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Perfect. That looks cool. All right, guys, we are back. We are going to do, we just did an outfit change, so we're going to kind of like go through the same motions again here at underneath here. Then we're going to go and do some in the water. I need to put my wallet. Okay. All right, so for these and stuff, you can kind of like, all right, so we're going to get back into it. That was perfect. Right there where you're at, I think is good for the waves. Yep. Perfect. All right, scooch over just a little bit, right there. Get a little bit closer. Play with your hair. Looks cool. Perfect. That looks so good right there. There's like 3 waves behind you, so it kind of like leads up to you. Oh, that looks so good. So I'm gonna like, yeah, see like 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
I was trying to like,
so awesome.
It's gonna like turn on. Yeah, there you go.
That's so good.
Let's see like right there. Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. I think your hair is doing something too. Oh yeah, yeah, this is cool. All right, so I think like, let's get you back like right here on this hard like sand right there. Yep, perfect. Hold on, I'm just trying to, oh sheesh, that's way too much. Yeah, let's do a sitting one. Yeah, that's good. I like kind of like the lean. Yep, that's perfect. That looked cool. Yeah, so this one right here, it's like a vibe. I love that.
Oh.
Oh, I love like negative space.
Oh, yes.
So,
Okay. So good. Oh, nice.
yeah.
Ah, that
Yeah.
looks so good.
Let's do a couple more, maybe. Extend this left leg out a little bit more. There you go. And then look over your left shoulder. Okay, and just hold that. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that looks cool. Let's do a couple more standing with this one, and then I say we are probably pretty good. As soon as it comes in, you're just going to like hold both, and then just kind of like, boom. Yeah. And then like chin up through it all. Yeah. Ready? Yep. Let me get a little bit closer. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and then chin up. And then look away. Look the other way. Yep. Perfect. Ready? 1, 2. Your hair is like my hair. It's just like, it's everywhere. Okay, I think we're good in this one. How do you feel? Good? Okay. Maybe like right in between these two big ones right here. Yeah, take a right there. Yep, perfect. Oh, jeez. Yeah, yeah. That looks really cool. And then, yep, perfect, perfect. All right, and then just turn towards, I don't know if the sun's gonna come out or not. So, about right, yeah, where you're at. We'll just do a couple like fire shots of like whenever it's, I don't know. Yeah, yeah. What we was doing like out there, kind of like right here. Yep. Oh, that looks so good. I hope I don't get swept away, because I'm definitely... Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I'm trying to see where like a next wave's coming at. Oh yeah. Get ready. Go. Be ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, hold. Perfect. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right, this one's gonna be big. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought it was. This one, yeah. Let's go, cool. Then come up a little bit more. I'm like, right there. Yeah. Try to like stay like this far apart. Yeah. Get ready. Go. Perfect. So it's so crazy because when the white comes through here, it reflects on you. So it makes the image better, but then you don't know whether, like, it's like in between a pose and stuff. It's so... Yeah.
Someday, somehow, you'll see I'll be long and I'm free. Come hell or high water, I'm gonna make you love me. Come hell or high water, I'm gonna make you love me.
All right, guys, we just wrapped up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, you can follow
Veronica at XO Veronica on Instagram.
Perfect. And like I said, all of her links is going to be in the description below. This was an awesome video. Hope you guys enjoy this content. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next.